Hey everybody, it's Marc here at Authentic Auto Body. I want to take a second and talk today about one of the vehicles we're repairing here. One of the things I've talked about in videos prior is DRP program shops, or direct repair program shops. For those of you who didn't catch the video, basically a DRP program shop is essentially a shop that signs a contract with any particular insurance company, and that insurance company will feed that shop work under the pretense that the insurance company is allowed to dictate how the repair of that vehicle happens. As always, Authentic Auto Body is not today a DRP shop, nor will we ever be a DRP shop. Nobody comes into Authentic and dictates how we fix cars, except the manufacturer of that specific vehicle. This particular Acura right here, we brought in to have the back bumper and left quarter panel repaired due to a collision that it was involved in. When the vehicle came in, it had an adaptive cruise control light that was on the dashboard. That particular light talks about a radar guided cruise control sensor that sits behind the front grille. At first glance, we assumed it must have been related to the collision in the back. Honda has a specific document. This particular document talks about all new cars are so equipped with advanced safety features. It's very important that every car goes to the manufacturer for pre and post scanning, just to make sure that we didn't just do our jobs correctly, but also that all of these high-tech features, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane avoidance, pre-collision sensors, all of those systems are functioning properly and recalibrated properly. So if this vehicle leaves our facility and it's ever involved in another accident, we're making sure that those operations are functioning correctly. One of the things a DRP shop is they're not allowed to send vehicles to the dealer unless there is a specific issue that they can 100% document. Here at Authentic, we send every car to the dealer. Well, upon completion of this vehicle, we sent it to the dealer. I won't name the dealer because the dealer is irrelevant, but the importance of this is the dealer called me that very next day and they told me they would be unable to recalibrate this car because the adaptive cruise control will not work until the correct grille is installed on this vehicle. Well, we didn't work on the front of this car, we only worked on the back. So after hearing that, I reached out to the customer and I asked if there had ever been a previous repair. To my surprise, the customer told me that this vehicle was repaired back in 2016, in May of 2016 to be exact. This vehicle was repaired at a direct repair program shop with their insurance company. That specific shop followed the estimate that insurance company provided them without asking any questions and without recalibrating the car at the end. This particular car had the incorrect grille installed, the incorrect grille support, and the incorrect grille frame. Because of that, this particular grille doesn't have the capability for that adaptive cruise control sensor to see through this for that function to ever work again. Well, this grille that they put on the car saved the insurance company almost $1,000, but it didn't save the customer anything. Now we have to reopen this claim, and the customer is going to have to pay out of pocket and take all of the documentation that we have provided, take this back to their insurance company, and they're going to have to get this paid for out of their own pocket. Without fixing this properly, this adaptive cruise control sensor will never work again. This is why it's so important to take your vehicle to a reputable shop that is doing things the way the manufacturer says they must be done. Don't ever trust somebody who owes you money. If your insurance company tells you should specifically go to this shop and be cautious of others, you should immediately be concerned. You don't want to end up in a situation like this where now this poor customer has to pay an extra $1,000 just to get their car to work properly. This is Marc here at Authentic Auto Body. I hope you all have a great day.